Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a restored board on Pinterest. So you want to go ahead and head over to your profile, and here you'll find those restored boards. And what are these restored boards? These are boards that were recently deleted, and you can see when you scroll down on the lower part of your screen, if you have any board that were deleted, you'll be able to see restored. And you can always go ahead and rename those boards after you restore them. So keep in mind that once you restore the board, it's going to restore, but it's going to have the word restore for you. And if you don't want to have the word restore there so that people would see it, especially if the board is public, you want to change the name. And all you have to do is simply go ahead and click the edit button right to the lower right hand side of the board. And it's going to take you to where you can easily change the name of the board. Just simply remove the word restored with its bracket and go ahead and click and done. And it's going to rename it for you, and you no longer have the restored there for your restored boards. And that's it.